Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another video. If you would like to see how I achieved this fabulous perm rod set, stay tuned. Guys, this is the final look, and I must admit this is one of the best perm rod sets that I've ever had since doing my big chop. Yes, I really love my hair. I don't want to sound so cliche like, oh my god, I love these products so much, but no, seriously, my hair is nice, soft and bouncy and moisturized. When I received the PR box, the label on the front of the box says happy hydration, and y'all, they was not lying. Like, my hair is so hydrated, so soft, and I have 4C hair, and I love, when I say I love these results, like, I love these results. And y'all know I keep it real with y'all. Y'all know I don't be lying to y'all. And yes, I am working with Uncle Funky's daughter, but I would give my honest thoughts of the products. My favorite product that I used in the video was definitely the Defunk refresher spray, like, and it smells so good. I just love the whole 70s theme packaging. I believe the Good Hair product, the scent is kind of overpowering, and when you mix it in with the other ones, I really didn't care for it. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my hair. Everything that I used in today's video will be listed down in the description box, and the link to where you can purchase these products will be listed down in the description box as well. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, you already know what to do. The big red button down there, because I know y'all see it. I know y'all see it. So go ahead and subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And as always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Peace.